Is that wet? I hope not, but we could find out with the flat sensor LoRaWAN from MClimate. Today we're going to take a look at it and see what's included. A LoRaWAN sensor in the neutral packaging we're used to from MClimate. Of course, let's take a look inside right away. We're greeted by a big drop on a white plastic package, and there probably isn't much else inside. As usual, there's no instruction manual included. You'll have to help yourself online, but that's not a problem. MClimate really offers a comprehensive wiki. Let's take a look at the sensor. As mentioned, we have the surface here with this symbol for moisture. And on the back, we can already see how the device works. Here we have these small pins. And when these pins are lifted, I don't know if you can see it well, but they kind of bounce up and down a bit. That means if I pick up the device, I get an alert. Of course, I also get notified if contact is made between them, meaning if moisture is detected. And the whole thing comes with a buzzer. And as far as I know, even an LED for notifications. Of course, we can't test that right now. I'll try to open it up. No battery included. You'll have to get that separately. But the device is supposed to run for up to 10 years on a single battery charge. I think it's called a CR123A, those things, with 3.6 volts. And as I said, it even has a switch inside here. That means it also detects if it has been opened, so it's tamper-proof. As mentioned, it comes with a buzzer and an LED. And with a simple battery, it's really just a simple switch. Yes, a moisture sensor, or rather a wetness sensor, flood sensor. It's called a flat sensor. So it detects if you have a leak somewhere. Leakage sensor, that's what we've worked our way up to now. You get all of this in the package. It's really very compact, and I just want to say thank you again today for staying loyal to us and shopping at the IoT shop. See you next time. Ciao with V.